AC plus AD is equals to BC. Okay, so this is equals to this is equals to this. AC plus AD, AC plus AD is equals to BC. How to do this question? This is
So
right.
you have to do some
Wait,
constructions.
Yes.
Ashish. So the question is AC plus AD, AC plus AD is equals to BC. What all triangles are coming? AC, AD, okay, this triangle, one, this triangle, BC, but this triangle, it is included this triangle, but this triangle cannot be concurrent to this triangle. Okay. Then what we will do, we will have to do one construction. Okay. So this is equals to this. We'll do one construction. We'll drop a line on this, which is 90 degree. Let's make it M. Okay. Now triangle ADC, triangle ADC and triangle DCM. Okay. Are these two triangles concurrent? Tejal? Are these two triangles concurrent? Triangle ADC and triangle DCM. Are these two triangles concurrent? Yes, it is concurrent. This is 90, this is 90. This is common. And this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, both triangles are
Yes.
AS. Okay?
Yes,
That means this is equals to this.
Yes.
Okay.
yes, sir.
Now AC plus AD. Now, this is 90 degree and these two are AC and AB are equal, isn't it?
Yes,
We
sir.
say that angle B is equals to angle C, that is 45 degree. Angle B is equals to angle C equals to 45 degree. Can we say?
Yes, sir, we can say that.
Very good. So this is 45. Okay. Now this is also 45. So what this angle, what is this angle?
45 by 2.
45 by 2. Okay. We'll not. What we have to make, this is 45. This is 90. What is this angle?
45. 80 minus 90 plus 45.
That is 45. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
90,
sir.
so this is 45, this is 45. So angle in the triangles are equal, then the opposite sides are equal. So this is equals to this.
Yes, sir.
Did you understand till this part? I did one construction. I proved that this triangle is congruent to this, congruent is to this triangle. Okay. So I proved that this is equals to this. Now in triangle DMB, this is equals to this. Therefore, sorry, this angle is equals to this angle. Therefore, this is equals to this. So we can say BC is equals to CM plus MB. Can we say?
Yes, sir, we can say that.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
in these two triangles, AC is equals to MC. AC
Yes.
is equals to MC. CPCT.
Yes, sir.
Now, and since MB is equals to MD and MD is equals to AD, can we say AD is equals to MB?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we'll replace BC is equals to AC plus AD. Got it?
Yes, sir.
No. If you haven't understood, please ask me. I will do it again.
No, sir, I didn't understand the part after
Sir.
the
Okay.
congruence one.
Yes,
I'll do
sir.
it again. I will do it again. Okay. I will rub everything.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes,
Sir, I didn't understand how to do the 19th question.
I'll do it. Don't worry. I'll do it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, should I stop at 20?
No, no, go ahead. Do it. Enough. You have to
Full
finish.
exercise.
Yes,
Full
full
exercise.
exercise. Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now in this, given that AC is equals to, what all things are given? Given is AC equals to AB. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And angle ACD is equals to angle DCB. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay, these two things are given. What I will do, only one construction I have to do. So to prove is AC plus AD is equals to BC. So construction we have to do, construction. Drop a perpendicular from D to BC, touching it at M. Draw perpendicular from D to BC. Correct? Now, in triangle ADC and triangle DCM, just figure out ADC and DCM. Did you figure out which is that triangle?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, in that triangle, this is 90, this is 90. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This angle is equals to this angle given,
Yes, sir.
and DC is common. So AS,
Yes, sir.
both are congruent. Both are congruent.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we prove that both are congruent. So can we say AC is equals to MC CPCT? I'm not writing everything. I'm just making you understand. You have to write it properly. Can we say AC is equals to MC CPCT?
Yes, sir.
And can we say AD is equals to DM CPCT? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So part one over. Now part two. In triangle DMB, in this triangle, okay, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, this angle is 90 degree, and this angle is 45 degree. Why 45? Because both sides are AC and AB are equal. So this angle is equals to this angle, which is equals to 45. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. DMB. So we can say angle B is equals to 45 degree, and angle D, or we say MDB is equals to 45 degree. Correct? We can say this. This is 90 degree. This is 45 degree. So this will also be 45 degree.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Okay. So these two angles are equal. So can we say that MD is equals to MB? Can we say?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah.
Therefore, we can say MD equals to MB equals to AD. Can we say this is equals to this, and this is DM or MD, you write anything MD. This is equals to C, therefore this is equals to this. I have written it here. Okay, Parush.
Yes, sir.
So what we have to prove? BC is equals to AC plus AD. Correct? This is what we have to prove it.
Yes, sir.
For BC, can we write? This is to prove. So for BC, can we write MC plus MB?
Yes, sir.
So MB can be replaced with AD,
Yep.
and MC can be replaced with AC.
Yes, sir.
Done. Proved.
Oh, yes, sir. I got it.
Okay, sir.
Please write it, write it. You can forget this construction. This is the important thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Should I rub this? Done?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
No, sir, 2 minutes.
This is not the way to write. I have given you just to make you understand. You have to write it properly. It is just for your reference or just hint. You have to write it properly.
Done, sir.
Okay. This was 10th question. Now 11th. In the given figure, okay. In the given figure, OA equals to OB. OA equals to OB. ठीक है? Given OA equals to OB. OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OP is equals to OQ. Okay. Prove that PX equals to QX and AX equals to BX. Okay. ठीक है. OA is equals to OB. So this is equals to this, and PX and QX are equal. Okay, very good. So both are equal. Now what we have to PX. No, sorry, PX equals to Q. That we have to prove it now. Okay, sorry. OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OQ. So this is equals to this, and this full is equals to this. Therefore, PA will also be equals to QB. This is equals to this, and this is equals to this. Therefore, this will also be equals to this. 11th question, who has asked
Yes,
me?
sir. Sir, me, Vishal.
Yeah, you have to respond me back. This is
Yes,
equals to
sir.
this, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, what is you are supposed to px and qx? You are supposed to prove it equal. Okay. So what we have to do it here? Think which all things px and ax. Where is ax? X equal to bx. Okay. Now tell me, this is equals to this in the
Yes, sir.
triangle PXA and triangle QXB. Triangle. Look, when let me put the ink. This ink.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Ashish.
Sir, in these sums, we can use exterior angle property, right?
You can use mathematics, whether it doesn't
Okay,
matter
sir.
exterior angle or anything. You can use mathematics. Yes. So this is equal to this. This is equals to this. Okay. Now we have px and qx. So this is equals to this. This is equals to this, and okay. No. Third angle. If triangle this triangle, if we take angle, this is equals to this. This is common. So therefore, px and qx we have to prove. So this and this segment. So this one, okay, ax. This equals to this.
So can I tell?
No, wait. This common. Px and qx. Okay, and this one and this one. This triangle is this cut done, and this we have to prove is equals to this angle. Which all angles? This not given. Wait, why I got confused? Wait. Where is this here? This is common. Anything left out? OA is equals to OB and OP is equals to OQ. Correct. Prove that PX, QX and AX, BX. Okay. Okay. What I'm missing? This one. Side angle, this angle, and this angle. Okay. This triangle and this triangle, if we take triangle OAQ and triangle OPB. Okay, OPB. So OPB में OB is equals to, so AOAQ AO is equals to AO is OPB OB. Okay, both are equal. ठीक है, one thing is done. this angle O equals to angle O. Okay, I got it. So this I got, this I got. In this triangle, this I got, this I got. Huh. Third one is this one. OP is equals to OQ. So this angle is equals to this angle. Now see, Vishal.
Yes, sir.
Triangle OAQ, OAQ, and triangle OPB, OPB. Correct? Can you
Yes, sir.
see this triangle, and this triangle?
Yes, sir.
OA is equals to OB, given.
Hmm.
OA we can write, given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Angle O is common in both this triangle and this triangle. This
Yes,
angle
sir.
is common.
Yes,
I
sir.
wrote this one common. And now third thing is given, OP is equals to OQ. OP is equals to OQ, given. So these two triangles are congruent. Vishal,
Yes, sir.
these triangles are congruent or not?
Yes, sir. They're congruent.
Well, what is that?
Sir, side angle side.
Side?
Angle side.
Side angle, side. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, if these two triangles are congruent, can we say angle OQA is equals to angle BPO? CPCT?
Yes, sir.
How? This OA in front of this is the angle. OB in front of this is the angle. So CPCT equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now take the next. What we are supposed to, this we are supposed to A, which triangle? PX, na? PX.
Yes, sir. PX and QX.
PX and QX.
QX are equal.
Side. And now we have to say PX and QX.
QX.
Prove that both are
Equal.
this. Make it. Now PX. This you have understood properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, instead of taking BPU, angle BPU is equal to angle OQA, we could have just taken angle A and angle B equal.
Angle. Sorry. This is also CPCT. Correct, sir. That's why I was thinking why I'm not getting the third component. This angle is also equals to this angle. Angle OAQ is equals to angle OBP, CPCT,
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
because this angle in front of this side and angle in front of this side both should be equal. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now you see in this triangle APX, in triangle APX and triangle BXQ, these two are of vertically opposite angles.
Yes, sir.
This angle is equals to this angle
Yes, sir.
and this is equals to this.
Yes, sir.
So both are congruent.
Yes, sir.
If it is congruent, so this side will be equals to this side and this side will be equals to this side.
Side. Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Write it. See,
Yes, sir.
just
Right.
now I said, na, teachers also get confused sometimes.
sir.
So you cannot take this chapter lightly.
Okay, sir.
Everything is in front. You have to see which all things has to be taken. Please write it.
Sir, I approved it with AS.
Which one? I also prove with AS. Now this angle, and this side.
Yes, I did it in a different method.
Which method?
Yes, sir. So I first took on triangle OQ and OBP.
O,
QA.
OQA and OBP. Yes, okay.
Then after that, OQ is equal to OP. It's given.
That proving is done. So that you have proved these two triangle congruent. That also I have
Yes, sir.
proved it.
Then after, so I proved that angle A equal to angle B like that. Then I did now this one only. I proved angle A equal to angle B through a different method. That's it.
CPCT.
Yes, sir. You took two different triangles. I took two different triangles.
No, I took this triangle and this triangle. Which one you took? Ashish?
OQA.
O
Yes, sir. Same
Q A.
thing. Same thing. Same thing. Sorry.
That,
I got confused by looking at the diagram.
Sir,
Yes, Vijay. Done.
sir, I'm done. Say yes, sir, but I have doubt in 10th and 12th.
10th and 12th. Good.
Sir, I'll send it
Okay.
in a bit.
Okay. Twelfth, I will do it. 10th, just now I finished. Okay, I'll do it before we end the class. I'll do it again. 10th one. 11th one. Done. Vishal, once done, let me know. Then I'll tell you 12th.
Yes, sir. Finished.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now going to 12th question. In a given figure ABC. Okay, let me draw the figure first. In the given figure, ABC is an equilateral triangle. PQ is parallel to AC. PQ is parallel to AC. Okay. And AC is produced to R such that CR is equals to BP. CR is equals to BP. CR is equals to BP. Prove that QR bisects PC. QR bisects PC. Okay. So what all things are given? Let's write it. Given ABC is an equilateral triangle. So AB equals to AC is equals to BC. Vishal, can you mute your mic?
Yes, sir.
PQ is parallel to AC. Okay, PQ is parallel to AC. So the CR is equals to BP. Okay, CR is equals to BP given. Okay, now to prove QR bisects PC. QR bisects PC. That means you have to prove PM is equals to MC. Correct? Okay. When ABC is an equilateral triangle, all the angles will be 60 degree. So this angle is also 60 degree. Vishal and Vijay, you'll have to respond me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. It's 60 degrees.
60 degree. Okay, sir. Now, in this triangle, okay, opposite, this is this, and this is parallel. Okay. Degree PM. Yeah. In this triangle, this is opposite to this corresponding TK. This is equals to this, and This is parallel to this. Therefore, this is 60 degree. This is this one. So this will be 60 degree. Okay. This is equal to this. See,
Yes, sir.
this is ABC is an equilateral triangle. So all
Yes, sir.
these three are 60 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
This angle is 60 degree, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now this line is parallel to this line, and QR is transverse.
Yes, sir.
This PQ is parallel to AC, correct? That is
Yeah,
given.
sir.
So, and okay, PQ is parallel to AC and AB is a transverse.
Okay, sir.
Do you see? PQ is parallel to AC and AB is a transverse.
Yes, sir.
So this angle is 60 degrees. So this angle will also be 60 degree.
60 degrees.
Why?
So corresponding angle.
Very good. Corresponding angle. So this angle is 60 degree. This angle is 60 degrees. So in triangle QBP, if these two angles are 60 degrees, so this side will also be, this will be also 60 degree, and all the sides are equal.
Yes,
So
sir.
can we say BP is equals to QP
Yes, sir.
in triangle PBQ? All angles are 60 degree. Therefore, PB is equals to PQ.
Yes, sir.
Vijay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these two sides are equal. Now, what will be the value of this angle? This is a line. This is 60 degrees. So this
Sir,
is
180
So
minus 60.
120.
Yes, sir.
And for this angle, what will be value? This is straight line. This is 180.
So 120.
So these two angles are 120. Angle QPM equals to angle RCM equals to 120 degree.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Now,
Yes, sir.
now see in triangle QPM and triangle RMC. These two triangles you see.
Okay, sir.
This is 120. This is 120.
Yes, sir.
This is vertically opposite angle.
Opposite angles.
And this is equals to this. So PQ is equals to RC.
Yes, sir.
So both are congruent AS.
Yes, sir. You can say.
So when they are congruent, PM is equals to MC.
MC. Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you,
Yes, got
sir.
it.
Okay. Okay. So if please write it properly, write it in your notebook, the solution of it. Then I will again repeat 10th question.
Sir,
Yes, Aristan.
I have sent you RS Agarwal. I have some doubts. Can you please solve it?
We have just solved 9, 10, 10th, 11th, 12th.
Yes, sir. I had a doubt in 10th and 9 and 10. Sir, 7 also, and then 15 and 12th also I had a doubt.
Okay. 10th, I will solve it now. For 11th,
Yes, sir.
12th, I will upload it. You just go through that one.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And sir, one more thing in the 14th question, Like I remember you teaching that we have to add one angle, right? Something like that, right?
I didn't get it.
In for proving we have to add some angle to another one to like make it equal. So why do we do that?
When x is equals to y, x plus 2 will be equals to y plus 2 or not?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because the value of x and y are equal, and if you add the same number to it, we'll get the same result.
If x is equals to y and z is equals to m, x plus z is equals to y plus m or not?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Sir, because you said x is
I
equal
didn't say.
to.
I didn't say. Mathematics says. Tell me. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, could you repeat?
If x is equals to y and z is equals to m, is x plus z is equal to y plus m?
Yes, sir, because the number of x and y will be equal, and so for z and m. So if you add those two, you get the same number.
Yes, and this is known as? This is known as open to everyone.
Sir, can you repeat?
If x is equals to y and z is equals to m, x plus z is equals to y plus m. True or false?
True.
Why? Is it, what is this? We have studied. We have studied a terminology. You forgot axiom and postulates.
Yes, sir. Things equal to the same thing are equal to one another.
Yes.
Nahin.
Well, that's what, if you add equal thing to same thing to equal number, the addition will be equal. Na? That's what something like this, na? Axiom.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Bhanupriya.
Sir, I completed.
Have you sent?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I got it. I got yours. Good.
Sir, I have a doubt in the 10th and the 15th one.
10th and the 15th one. 10th, I will do it now. 15th also you have doubt. Okay.
Sir, you got mine.
So that's what, this is your answer, na?
No, like whatever I wrote and said.
Whatever you wrote, where?
R.S. Agarwal, WhatsApp.
Yes, I got
Sir,
it.
did you get mine?
1 and 2 and 3 pages you have done everything, Arishtan.
No, sir, I had some doubt. I thought I'll ask you.
Okay.
Like, these are some of the doubts. I'm writing it down.
Next time, whether you do or you don't do, you are free to join the class. I will send it to on the group also.
Sir?
Yes, Manish.
Sir, I have a doubt in the 14th and 15th. Like 14th, like just now said, sir, but I'm having a bit confusion. I did the rest, sir.
10th question, I'm doing it now.
Okay,
Again, this I did it, but again I'm doing it.
Okay, sir. After that, can you do 14th and 15th?
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Siddharth.
Sir, I've just done, sir. I'm just scanning and sending, sir. I have doubt in the 14th one.
Okay. First, I'm doing the 10th one.
Okay, sir.
And after this, anyone has 10th question doubt, please watch my video. ABC is a right angular. First important thing is making the diagram. Acha, you guys, others, those who are done. Anyone done with all the questions? 9A questions?
No, sir.
No,
Some
sir.
left.
No, sir.
Go ahead. Go ahead, do it.
7 left.
Okay, do it. Now 10th question, I'm doing it again. Please pay attention. ABC is a right angle at A. ABC is a right angle at A, such that AB is equals to AC. So this is equals to this. AB given AB equals to AC. Okay, very good. And bisector of angle C intersects the side AB at D. So bisector of angle C intersects this at D. So this angle is equals to this angle. Angle ACD equals to angle DCB given. Okay. Prove that. To prove AB is equals to AD and CB equals to CD. So this is the question. Sorry. I'm doing the other. Sorry. Ninth question. AB is right angle such that AB is equals to AC and the bisecting angles intersect AB at D. Okay. Prove that AC plus AD equals to BC. Okay. This is what we have to prove. Question. Did you understand the question? You tell me, respond me back.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is one important thing. You have to do one construction. Construction is draw a line perpendicular from D to BC. Draw a line from D perpendicular to BC. Okay? Meeting at M. At M. Correct? Now,
Sir, why should we draw?
to solve the question, Aristan. This is the first time you are drawing. You have done it, na? For the
Yes,
previous
sir.
question also.
Yes, yes, I saw somewhere. Sorry, sir.
In triangle ADC and triangle MDC, because there are few questions without construction you cannot prove it. So you have to first you have to see all the things whether you can do it, or if not, then you have to seek if any line to be produced or anything construction to be done to solve that question. So in this question you have to do this one. Now in triangle ADC and triangle
sir.
FBC. Yes, Siddharth?
Sir, I've sent you the PDF.
Okay. Focus on this question, 10th question. In triangle ADC and MDC, what all things are equal, Vijay? Can we prove?
Sir,
Just prove
sir.
these two triangles congruent.
Sir, can you
Sir.
hear me?
Yes, Ashish, I can hear you. You do your work. Let me finish
So
this one.
now, sir, from past 20 minutes, not 20 minutes, some 15 minutes, I had to log out because my laptop froze.
Okay. Yes, Vijay. These
Sir,
two triangles you have to prove congruent. Tell me how to do.
sir, angle CAD and angle DMC are equal,
CAD
90 degrees.
is
Given.
equals to angle DMC equals to 90 degree. Okay, next.
Sir, DC is equal to CD, common.
Yes, DC is equals to CD common. Next. Vijay.
Yes, sir.
Why I have already drawn this. This is equals to this.
Sir, I didn't see that, sir. Sir, angle ACD is equal to angle DCM.
ACD is equals to angle DCM given. So these two triangles are congruent. Triangle ADC is congruent to triangle MDC, correct?
Yes, sir.
AC is equals to MC, CPCT, and AD is equals to DM, CPCT, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So AB equals to AC. So this is equals to this, and this is equals to this. Now, angle B is equals to angle C, given. Since AC is equals to AB, therefore this angle is equals to this angle. Tell me, otherwise I can immediately finish it. You'll have to respond me. Did you understand or not? If this is equals to this, therefore angle C is equals to angle B. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. So this is 90 degree. These two angles are equal. So what will be the value of this angle? So long time.
Sir, 45.
Yes, 45. This is 45. Now, this is 90 degree. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So this angle will be equal to
180 minus 90 plus 45.
45. Ninety plus 45 is what? 135. 180 minus 135 is what? 45.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So these two angles are equal. Therefore, MD is equals to MB. MD is equals to MB. Can we say?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. Till now, anyone has any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, BC, how can you write? BC is equals to CM plus MB. We can write like this. Now,
Yes, sir.
CM is what? CM is equals to AC. We can replace with AC. And MB is what? MD.
Yes, sir.
MB is equals to MB is equals to MD, and MD is equals to AD. Given MD is what? MD is equals to MB, and MD is equals to AD. Given, na? These two are equal. I mean, sorry, we have proved it. MD is equals to AD. We have proved it. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So all three are equal. AD equals to MD is equals to MB.
Yes, sir.
So can we say MB is equals to AD? This is equals to this. Can we say?
Yes, sir.
MB is equals to AD. Done. Proved. Anyone has doubt? Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Please write it, 10th question then. With proper understanding, you write in your notebook. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, hello, ma'am. Hello, how are you?
Done, sir.
Yes. Okay, done. 10th question done.
Yes, sir.
Now, which one was left out? 15th question.
Sir, could you once repeat how is angle C equal to angle B? Yes, sir.
Sir, you're muted.
When AC is equals to AB given, so base angle will be equal. Got it?
Angles
Yes, sir.
opposite to equal sides of a triangle.
Now should I rub this?
So I finished 23 questions.
You have done everything?
No, sir, till 23rd one.
2030, you guys can leave. Those
Okay,
who are
thank you,
done
sir.
can leave. Now for doubt people, you can stay back.
Thank you, sir.
Homework.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Homework is example questions. You have already gone through it, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
sir.
just try to solve it by yourself now. Now, this chapter for you is over. You know everything about congruency. Now you can solve all the example question of RS Agrawal without seeing the solution. Please do it.
And should we
The
start
ones
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Thank you,
after
sir.
exercise 9A, right?
Pardon?
The ones after exercise 9A.
No, before 9A. Before 9A.
30
After
questions.
9A is the inequalities. That you
Sir,
keep it as of
Okay,
now.
sir.
sir,
Yeah.
Thank you,
some
sir.
questions we have already done from that.
That you
So-
don't do.
Yes, sir.
That you don't do. Those who have, which you have not done, that you can attempt it.
Sir,
Okay,
we
sir,
should
thank you.
send
it to you.
Of course.
Sir, and we should complete this exercise also.
Which exercise? You are supposed to complete now. All 27, 26, 27 is nothing. Till 25 only you have to do. 26,
Okay, sir, I
27 is
completed
true
till
false.
23rd one.
The remaining 2 question also you complete.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Those who are
Okay,
done,
sir.
please
Thank you.
leave it. Doubt people, you stay back. 10th question, okay?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, today what did you explain when I wasn't there?
10th question I did, which I did it again for you guys. Then 11th and 12th.
Thank you, sir.
So you didn't explain anything, like any.
No, I'm not. I'm taking only doubts now today.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, good night. Okay, should I rub this?
Yes, sir.
Any other doubt? Any other question doubt?
15.
15th, okay. 15th question. Sir, you can leave, sir.
Sir, in 14.
Okay, let me do first 15th question.
Okay, sir.
O is a point in the interior of a square ABCD such that OAB is an equilateral triangle. O is a point interior of a square ABCD such that OAB is an equilateral triangle. Show that OCD is an isosceles OCD. So given that AB is equals to BC is equals to CD is equals to AD square, and OA and says that OAB is an equilateral triangle. OAB, so OA equals to OB equals to AB. This is equals to this is equals to this equals to this. All sides are equal. We can say when this is an equilateral triangle, all 3 sides are equal. And
Yes,
this
sir.
is in a square, so this, everything is equal. Correct? Now
Yes,
what
sir.
so that OCD is an isosceles triangle. OCD is an isosceles triangle that you have to show. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
See, on the diagram only it is solved. All sides are equal. And
Yes, sir.
this is an equilateral triangle. Let's suppose this is equilateral. So this will be 60 degree. We can say 60 degree. So this is what? 30 degree. This is what? 30 degree. Now in triangle OAD and triangle OBC, this angle is equals to this angle. This side is equals to this side. And this side is equals to this side. Therefore, triangle OAD is congruent to triangle OBC. Therefore, OC is equals to OD CP CT. Got it?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Who has joined with DC? Dia. Is it Dia? No, gone. Okay, 15 done. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now I will do
That-
14th question.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So is there any homework? What's
I
the
see,
homework?
homework is examples before 9A. You are supposed to solve it without seeing the solution. Those questions which you have already solved, no need to solve those questions. Remaining question you have to solve.
What about the rest of the questions after 15th one?
No, that was the classwork. You are supposed to finish till 27th this exercise. Everyone did it in class.
Okay, sir.
Okay, till 27, and then that example questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Okay.
I'll send you my PDF as soon as my mom comes.
Okay.
She's not there.
Now let's 14th question we'll do. 15th question, should I rub this? Okay. Now 14th question. ABCD is a square and P is a point inside it such that PB is equals to PD. PB is equals to, so this is equals to this. Prove that CPA is a straight line. CPA is a straight line. Manish, it's your question and understand your question, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Now, in this question, this is a square. So, tuck, 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 and tuck, tuck. This is equals to this, so one line. We have done it. Now, CPA, you have to prove that CPA is a straight line. So, to prove a straight line, what we are supposed to prove it here?
180 degree.
Angle C, this angle CPA is 180. Angle CPA is 180 degree. If we'll prove it, that means
it is a straight line.
Straight line. So let's prove it. So okay. So in this triangle CDP and PBC, can you prove it congruent?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how? What will be the? I mean, how you will prove? Tell me.
Sir, in triangle CPD and triangle CPB, right? CB is equal to CB as it's a square.
Okay.
Then CP is equal to CP common. And PB is equal to PD given.
PB is equals to PD given. So this is equals to this is equals to this, and this is common. So these two triangles are congruent.
Yes, sir.
So this is X. So this is also X, CPCT.
Yes, sir.
Now, others, Aristan, Manish, Sia.
Yes, sir.
This is equals to this CPCT. Now in triangle this PAB and PAD. Can you prove that this is congruent?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
AP is equal to AP common.
Yes.
DA is equal to AB as it's a square. And PB is equal to PD.
Given.
So by SSS.
SSS. So this angle is equals to this angle CPCT. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now can we say X plus Y is equals to 360 degree?
Yes, sir. Angles around a point.
Proved. Angle CPA is made up of what? X and Y. X plus Y is equals to 180 degree. Proved. Did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Please complete this.
I'll just scan it and send it, sir. I just had this doubt.